So, good morning everyone. Our project is dam surveillance and alerting system. So, these are the contents I'm going to explain. So, our aim is to achieve the dam surveillance system to avoid the accident, and objectives are to collect and maintain the water level in the major dams at the periodic interval, and the operating schedule of the shutter and discharging details in the curves for any particular day will be recorded in the control room. And the next objective is to serve the dam surveillance system to notify the citizen about the impending nature calamity. And the final objective is to implementing the dam surveillance system to the real time. And our abstract is, in spite of major achievement in the irrigation sector, there is still a dependable alert and dam information system regarding the level of the water dam, whether the condition of water condition and water quality and early warning flood alert in the neighborhood dams and canals, as there are a lot of risk factor associated with the existing of these dams. So it has become the need for the hard to develop the proper maintenance and regarding the opening the shutter, thereby management of the system for maintaining a safe water level in the dam.
We gone through some IEEE papers about dam surveillance and alerting system. The first paper is Dam Alerts Empowering Farmers with Irrigation Information and Flood Alerts. The main objectives of the project is to develop an integrated dam information system which serves an information delivery to the city. And the main advantages is alert message on opening and closing the canals, alert message whenever water information is updated, alert whenever the water level reaches specific level. But disadvantages of this project, the project can be enhanced by applying the sensor network in the future, since powering the sensor mode is challenged in the existing scenario. And the second paper is a guide to public alert and warning for dam leave emergency. The main methodology of this project, the guidance in the document will assist emergency manager in motivating the public to take protective action in a dam leave emergency. The advantages of this is people will be informally communicating emergency information. Non-official sources such as broadcast media will also be warning the all-risk population. And the disadvantages, channels vary in their speed of message delivery, effectiveness in reaching different kind of people. And third one is IoT based disaster monitoring and management system for dams. The main method, the system can be extended for monitoring of end dams. As the cloud can analyze the statics of large number of dams, we can easily compare and decide which dam should be opened first to reduce the water level. The advantages is the system is capable of incorporating more dams that may be constructed in near future. In a future, a new application can be developed in which the people can easily access and find spots which are prone to flooding. And the next paper is an early warning model of dam safety based on rough settery and support vector machine. The method is the research object set is the basic component of an information table of dam safety early warning. Knowledge about this object is described by the attributes and their values. The advantages is the purpose model of the dam safety early warning is feasible and effective. It is and noticeable that the purpose model transcends the regression models in the precision using the approximate of the observation. The disadvantages is the system is mainly based on the sensor network, where the sensor failure may affect the normal operation of this process. The sensor must be protected from rust or any kind of damage.
I am PRASAD. Now I am giving a brief introduction the about the project dam surveillance and alerting system. In this project, the dams and water reservoirs play a key role in controlling floods and landslides, and also water supply management and irrigation. They are built as safe structures, complying with the strict standard requirements. However, there are still threats such as natural disasters and human-made activities that can result in the mechanical damage, whereby endangering the population, property, and environment. A dam system is composed of dam body, dam foundation, and external environment. It runs under the action of many influencing factors. A consultative approach was adopted in gathering the details of the dams, like capacity, alert threshold levels, etc., from concerned divisions of the water resource department. The thresholds and all will be taken by the water resource department for setting up the threshold and alerting the systems. The correlation between factor is very indicate and often alterable. The non-linearity is characteristic of dam system. In 2018, Kerala has experienced the largest disaster due to the flood after 1924. The continuous rain since first week of August 18 accumulated huge rainwater in several dams. Consequently, on 10th August 2018, 35 dams were opened by KSEB for this purpose.
ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
In this slide, I'm going to explain about the methodology of the same project. The dam and water reserve early warning system are designed as mostly small to medium sized integrated monitoring, warning and notification system, typically consist of 5 to 20 electronic sirens, and a phone call or a text message is sent to the nearby local authorities. It can be an local cloud also. The main three parts of this system is the monitoring system, the warning system, and the notification system. As the name suggests, the monitoring system is for the monitoring the risk of the damage for their damage. The warning system is for covering by a warning signal the area that gets flooded within minutes of damaging the dam. The notification system, this informs the particular person about the emergency which occurs in this overall area of the dam. um, this diagram shows the typical block diagram of our project. This is mainly consist of the monitoring system and the sensor network, which may be of water level sensor and rain sensor. The maintenance department, in which the user will be informed through an text message or a phone like local cloud, and also the control center, where all the activities are managed, and a communication interface also. And the main part of this project is the electronic siren, which produces various levels of alarms once the water level threshold reaches out.
In the dam warning system, the monitoring system and the sensor network system, where it consists of rain sensor, water level sensor, the gate opening sensor, and from these sensors the values are recorded and sent to the control room for the corrective actions. And an internal and external pavilion electronic siren will be consisting around the city or the nearby lake, where when the flood is arriving and siren will produce the sound. And the communication infrastructure, where it communicates between the city and the nearby local authorities, and the person nearby the local authorities will get an text message or call, where the people may join near waterfall or something. The monitoring system and the sensor network system, so it indicates and damage in the dam or any cracks or deterioration in the dam at a good time, and it makes use of different types of sensor to increase the and reliability and prevent the occurrence of the false alarm. The control center, it automatically activates the necessary warning and notification functions when a critical value are detected in the monitoring system, like cracks or any deterioration in the dams. The electronic siren, it produces an high acoustic pressure over a great distance to ensure an perfect integrability, live, live voice reproduction or demonstration at the higher reliability. So there may be a full operability even in case of power failures from an diesel generator or through an UPS, and the full functionality in extreme temperature. Advanced auto diagnostics function, it allows multiple power supply method to communicate within the control center via radio line or communication channels. The management department, in
This the management department is a responsible person or responder to be notified in informed of an occurrence or an emergency situation through calling, or it may the information may be uploaded in the IoT cloud, or it may be summoned for the officers. The officer will come to rescue in certain operations. And the communication infrastructure. The communication infrastructure may be radio signal or microwave signal. It ensures the communication between the dam's control room through management center and through a person who is nearby present to the waterfalls or any picnic spot. So the other element or the warning system allows the connection of dam early warning system to the. These are the reference paper we are referred for our project. Thank you.